Occupational therapy plays a vital role in helping children with autism build the skills they need for everyday independence and success. It's a field focused on empowering kids and supporting families every step of the way. And joining us now is Eric Jacobson. He is an occupational therapist with our sponsor, MetroEHS, specializing in autism care. Eric, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
It's great to have you. All right, well, let's talk about occupational therapy because it can mean a lot of things. But what does it look like in autism care?
Occupational therapy can mean a lot of different things. I think occupational therapy is a client-centered profession. So what that means is we focus on the individual and what they need. So in autism care, it looks like play. It's fun. Lots of games, getting down on the floor, rolling around, having a good time.
Disguised as learning. You gotta love that. All right, well, next question is, how do OTs help children build independence in everyday life?
So we focus on play, like I said, and what we do is we focus on helping children grow and develop skills. And then the goal is to help those skills translate to the meaningful routines that make up your day. So that might look like toileting, it might look like feeding, it might look like dressing, it might look like all three. But that's how we focus on developing kids' skills and helping them be as independent as possible in the things that they do every day.
That's wonderful. So really, what inspired you to become an occupational therapist in this field specifically?
So I had a great experience in Jackson, Michigan at the Lyle Torrance Center. I got to shadow for a day, and I saw how they ran their special education program. And it was such a rewarding experience, and I feel like I pictured myself being able to do that every day. So I pursued it, and here we are.
Good for you. I'm sure every day brings new challenges, but I'm sure a win is a huge deal. But you got to take those small wins. What are some small wins in your field?
The small wins are definitely the firsts. So every time you have a kid do something for the first time, right? You get this recognition, this expression from them. Their eyes get real big, they smile, they're super happy because they did something for the first time without help, right? Those are the small things that are actually big things.
That's amazing. That's got to feel so rewarding. A great career. Speaking of which, who is a good fit for an occupational therapy career, and what advice would you give to them?
I think occupational therapy is such a wide profession that there are so many redeeming qualities that would make somebody a good OT. But when it comes to autism care or working with kids, I think you absolutely have to be patient. You have to be empathetic, and you have to be creative. So I think if those three things describe you, then you might be a good occupational therapist.
All right, good advice. And then MetroEHS also has a career event coming up at the end of the month. Where can people learn more and register?
If you want to learn more or register, you can go to the website metroehs.com/WDIV.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Eric. Again, if you'd like to register for the career event on April 30th, scan the QR code on your screen or visit metroehs.com/WDIV.